right, guys, we're back. I'm here to talk to you about that 2013 Jeep Wrangler wiring harness. Now, as we were going through it, it's a mess. I mean, I showed you last time the broken wires. I just really wanted to stop what I was doing so I can finish this video, and I want to show you what it looks like inside. You're going to be really amazed. It's fascinating to see how nobody really thinks about what heat does to plastic around wires for insulation. So come with me, I want to show you this. All right, guys, so here, check this out. I already started going through the harness, taking off all the insulated wiring shield that goes around the wires. I had to peel literally everything apart from each other, literally peel. The wires were stuck together. So what I wanted to show you here is I had to stop because right there, that's your ECM connector. As I'm going through, within 5 inches of this wiring harness, which started here, is where everything started to stick together. So I wanted to show you what it was like stuck. So look, let me pull it for you. Look, stuck. It's stuck. Look at me peel it apart. So now, here's your computer. This is where your problem starts, and this isn't even by the motor. This is on the firewall. This is why the problem gets worse as we get into the wiring harness getting close to the motor. As you can see, it ate the insulation away. It is so hard. I mean, you could see for yourself. I'm going to continue this harness, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back, show you the rest of the video, more things that I find, and also the finished product is what everyone is really going to like. Stay tuned. Don't forget, hit that like button and press that subscribe button so that you can follow us. Thank you. All right, guys, you ready? We finished that wiring harness. It's all wrapped up. It's done. You're not going to believe this. You ready? Check it out. Check that out. All nice, wrapped up, snug as a bug. Now that's how you do it. All right, guys, now that you've seen the finished product, you guys know what you need to do, right? Got a wiring problem? Pull out the harness, send it to us. We'll get it done. We'll tell you where the problem was, take pictures. We're going to show you what's going on so you guys are all aware of what's going on in the vehicle so that you'll put preparations for it when you put it back into the vehicle. All right? Listen, go to our website, autocomputerspecialist.com. On there, you're going to find a repair form. Fill out that repair form for the wiring harness. Send us your computer too. Let's check that. Let's make sure nothing got burnt from these wires being shorted together or jumping the battery backwards. We've seen it all. Rat's nests made out of the wires. Believe me, we've seen it all. Hit that like button, press that subscribe button, get your harness to us, get your computer to us. We'll take care of you, get you back on the road quickly.